Hello, this is Art Veal with CanIOwn.com. Today's video is what credit score do you need to buy a home? Previously to the market crash, the standard credit score that you needed to buy a home with an FHA loan, which is the low qualifying loan for our markets, the previous credit score was usually between 620 and 630. Usually anything above 620 you could qualify for an FHA loan. And you can buy a home. Of course, that didn't factor in things like income and down payment, but we can discuss those later. Since the market has crashed and then recovered, FHA has gone through a lot of changes. Their actual minimum score that they like to see now, I've seen as low as 580, and in some cases I've even seen them work with anything above 530, which is a much lower score. The reason for the change is because they shifted how they qualify a loan. They used to rely heavily on the credit score to get you a loan. Now they rely more on your ratios. And if you're not sure what ratios I'm talking about, you can go back and look at one of the other videos and see what we're talking about, debt to income ratios. They look more now at how much debt you carry and how much debt or mortgage your income can afford. Based on some very strict ratios. So what you have to do when you're looking at these loans or looking for an FHA loan is you have to look for a lender that has very little or no overlays. Overlays essentially mean that the FHA program, which is a government-backed program, has a set standard of what they look for as far as a credit score. Banks, the FHA doesn't loan directly. They actually insure or guarantee loans that banks put out. Then the banks say on top of the FHA loan that they want, let's say, a credit score of 650. So they'll say, I know FHA accepts 580, but we want 650 as our minimum score. So you have to find a lender that's willing to give an FHA loan with no overlays. So that's something to look at. If you visit CanIOwn.com, once you're a member of CanIOwn.com, we actually have a list of lenders that we know of, and we're constantly adding to that list that show that don't require overlays when they're giving loans. And so these lenders usually are easier to get a loan from if you're having issues with your credit score. So until next time, good luck, God bless, and if you have any questions or comments, please visit us on Facebook or Twitter. Have a great day, everyone.